What's up YouTube? I hope you're all well during these times. What I can see for Hbar today on the daily time frame is that we did see over the last week a swift reclaim of 0.0577, the 1 fib level right here, this lowest support of this range we've been in, and we actually closed below it, validating this actual head and shoulders target all the way back down to in and around 4 cents, down to 4 cents. Now we validated this pattern by first of all closing under it here and actually eventually invalidating with that green candle over there, reclaiming it. But unfortunately the direct next day closed back under, and the following day after that we can see we had a shooting star rejecting the 12 EMA but also the previous 1 fib level now as resistance with that wick. Previously we had wicks going down, but now we're seeing wicks going up, rejecting this previous support as resistance. So going forward you should anticipate that this pattern's target will be met, and we are going to be capitulating back down to this wick as we initially said earlier. However, although that's what should have happened, the bull stepped in, so it's really good to see that it's telling us something, that the bulls are still trying to fight for us. It doesn't mean that going forward we're bullish, we're 100% bullish. There's no guarantees here. If we're closing below this again, you know that pattern's target is valid once again. But for the moment, as we've now reclaimed the 1 fib level, we have to say Hbar is fine, is bullish again, and is safe. But again, you see a daily candle close below that, what you should anticipate is that this pattern's target is now valid, and we should be seeing 4 cent all the way from 6 to 4, and that would be a 30% move down. It's tradable as well if you are wanting to short the market. You don't need leverage whatsoever for these sorts of things. Big moves already. If you're putting on leverage, then there's no risk management whatsoever that you're doing, because yeah, percentage moves are so big already. Without the leverage you don't need it. But yeah, going forward, as long as we're above the 1 fib level, what do we now need to see if you want to keep this bullish? Yes, we know holding this level is amazing, but how do we get this chart going up? So now the next step is confirming this as support. That's what we're doing today. We need to, of course, get above these EMAs over here, confirm them as support, and actually attack this golden pocket. This is the key area, key point of interest for me. I want to see this reclaimed and held as support. If you can do so, it's telling me we're most likely not gonna now come down lower. Only if we can confirm it as support. We've seen multiple times we held the bottom, you ran into that, and we rejected it, and we actually closed lower, meaning that we should go down. But that's not the case. You come back up, reclaimed it. So we need to see this sort of thing happen, but instead of falling back under, we actually need to hold it this time. But it's good that we've had one rejection. It means this area is getting weaker, or forget that. It means that we've retested, we've tried to break it, it's failed to. So now, yeah, technically it's weaker. We're going to have a much easier time on this occasion. But I wouldn't expect it to slice through like butter. I told you back here, because we sliced through it like butter, it's more than likely going to reverse and end up as a fake out. So what we want to see going forward is a rejection. We actually want to reject it, hold support, then take it out and hold it as support, and we actually start to head up higher. You can see a much larger W pattern looking likely to take shape. And we're seeing this across XRP and some other coins like Quant, for example. But again, this is all dependent on Bitcoin. It does not matter that XRP's running up and showing you that it's clearly a W pattern, and then you look at the other charts and it clearly looks like they're all missing this larger final second leg up here to break the neckline, to validate these larger targets, to flip this all bullish again. That's what we all want to see. That's what some cryptos are giving a glimpse of, and that's an amazing glimpse of hope. However, if Bitcoin loses that specific level I'm talking about on the channel for weeks and months now, since June, go check out today's Bitcoin update. I urge you all, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Like, subscribe. We're trying to hit 5k subscribers as quick as possible. And so to ask if you could actually help with the algorithm and comment and share the video. Thank you guys so much. Again, we need to really see this golden pocket reclaimed. Otherwise, if we run into it as resistance again, it's more likely that you're going to lose this and head to these lower targets. Other than that, we're just sitting and waiting to see if we're going to continuously hold this or close below it. Close below it, we're going down. Hold it, we should actually anticipate us going up. Key resistance is the 20 and the 20 EMA, and the key golden pocket over here. Thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.